we are on Hobie Friday. Bit windy, blowy, and it was raining a while ago. And I'm sort of ready to go, ready to launch. I've got Hobie set up, waiting there, ready to put her in. And there's no one here except me. It's 9:30, but wait, I see someone approaching. G'day, how are you?
Over 70 Hobie AI group, because no one else will be down here today. Have a look at the range. There's no one there.
So, have we got others coming?
We have.
Good.
We got the full contingent of the over 70 group.
Right.
The juniors haven't actually acknowledged they're coming yet.
Right.
So, you know, another demerit point against them.
Well, this will be a test, won't it?
This will be a test. But we're here, aren't we?
Yes, we're here.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, probably, you can see that I'm dressed,
Yes.
you know, like,
Summer.
You know, it's getting bloody hot, really. But quite frankly, though, I wanted to present just how you're dressed.
Well,
Okay, now this is Mickey Mouse. He was here first today, and it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day,
Liquid sunshine
and but he must feel that something's going to happen because he's a bit warmer. He's dressed up a bit with his gum boots on and everything. So I'm pretty sure he's probably been down the farm before he's got here. But anyway, we'll see how it goes out, but the other two will be here. All right, and the weather's looking quite good.
Oh yeah, well, it's supposed to clear up.
I think we've got a few hours of, you know, just a tad under 30 knots.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. And then after that, yeah, they'll come good and be 40 knots. Anyway, we'll see. Good to see you, Mickey. Good to see you first here as usual.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's getting too hot. I think I'll take some more off.
oh, look who's here. We got a third one. Always likes to make his presence known. What's Tarzan wearing? Oh,
Over 70s.
look at that.
This is the Aussie spirit. Nothing lets you down. Rain, hail, snow.
Hey Tarzan, I think this is about the smartest thing I've seen you wear for a while.
Or sunshine. Look at all you overseas. Who's this?
No, I had to go and get firewood last time, and the time before that, I didn't know where you were going.
There's Mickey Mouse over there. Ripper here with his new silver Hobie. Aluminium trailer.
Rip, our junior member, is getting his brand spanking new to him Hobie going. And look at this. There's a bit of a tune going on there.
This bloke over there. Where's your surf rod? You going surf fishing or something?
That's what it looks like.
There's Phil getting his new one out. Haven't been in the water before.
No, I just don't know what I'm doing here.
Let's fire it up. Look, filling his bag full of water. You get thirsty.
Last week, I had a bloke that fell off my water, so I thought I'd bring some extra for him.
Oh, okay.
So this is a dedication of the over 70 members there. He's taking a complete video, hoping he hasn't put his bungs in the sink or something.
Yeah, we're Tarzan launching in very strong wind. It'll blow him my way.
You put me bungs in for me?
Go, Rennie. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Newland's up, blowing about 20 I suppose. At the moment I've got the full sail up. This is my first sail for the morning. But I'd say that outside there, I'll be about halfway. Well, I'm out testing the water at the moment, waiting for Grumpy. And just out a bit further there, it's blowing like 25 I reckon.
You're a bit blowy.
sure where the boys have gone. I've gone out to check out the water. I come back and they're gone, so I'll have a look down the straits. I don't know what I'll do after that. There's those buggers all the way out there. I lost them, I couldn't find them, and now I can see them. They're going over the sperm whale head, but I won't wait for me, I'll fire it. Oh well, I'll just have to catch them up, I guess. They're coming down like this career. Oh, look at that. Oh dear. Oh, right. They're great little diggers though, aren't they? Great little diggers. Oh, look at this one. Woohoo! Ah, yeah. What would you do on a Friday, eh?
Here comes pirate, come lately.
No, look at him go. Here he comes. We thought we'd lost him.
You know, he was a no-show. And
Hey, look who turned up.
to go round, and there was no one home. Then she rings back a bit later and says she found him walking down the street with his dog. How's that? He just decided to...
Okay. Oh, thank God I've got here, right?
I went round the point and I seen you going down past the ferry and I started going down there.
Yeah. And what happened? Did you abandon me?
Well, then these blokes would go around the island.
were
I
going
caught
out-
up with them and they said, what are we going to do? We said, oh, we won't miss him.
You're right there?
You just make a noise or drawing the sail in?
This is Pirate of Antarctica here. We're just down on the far reaches of Antarctica.
Wish Grumpy was here for a bit of liquid sunshine.
We're going to claim this. You can't get better than this. Have a look out there, mate. Smoothly floating.
Look at that.
What are we doing there? We want to drain some water out.
Well,
What are you doing?
I think you just tried to sail out.
I reckon this is around the wrong way.
Mine's nearly broken, that thing on mine.
No, I don't want to do anything, mate.
Hey, smile! Makes a good frame, Hobie frame.
Oh, that's better.
You go faster now.
Right, yeah.
That's why you couldn't catch up to us.
Past you like on the way across here. There are the four that got here. Grumpy didn't make it. Apparently he had a reasonable explanation that he just couldn't be bothered. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We're here over at Sperm Whale Head. It's blowing a fair bit, but it's what these things are all about in the over 70s. Have a look at that. It's got to be blowing about over 20 knots there now. We're in a shelter shed at Sperm Whale Head.
Back at school.
Like Sean
Yeah, Grumpy, we're enjoying ourselves over here.
Yeah.
Well,
Hello, Grumpy.
you know, you've got to expect a 78 years of age. You've got to give him a bit of a tolerance. He just didn't know whether to go sailing or walk the dog.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The dog can run itself around the backyard, I said, as I left. Yeah.
Yeah, if it's got the specific gravity of about 19, I think gold is.
We have some very technical subjects
we have.
today.
We've,
You know,
yeah, we've been
now,
floating.
Grumpy's not here bringing down the conversation, so we're able to, you know, talk it up a little bit more.
Yeah, we're just talking about the Titanic. I sunk down, seen that movie, and I just realised it's amazing that the swimming pool on the Titanic's still full of water.
Oh, yeah, how long did it take you to drive from Locksport to here? 20 miles. It's not that far then, is it really?
Came by boat or what?
Yeah, we've got sailing boats over there.
Not everyone who's here would surely come from Locksport, so I was kind of surprised.
Yeah, well that's right. Yeah, that's right. No,
See, you can have a nice barbie.
Yeah, we didn't bring anything.
Bring a nice sausage or something.
Oh, we're hoping you had some sausages.
When we come across here, the wind was fair flogging, so we're glad to get over here. We do this every Friday, mind you, but not to here, generally. It depends on the lakes. We go to different places.
Yeah.
And
He's got a nice big camera.
so we ended up this time. What have you got there?
I have a Nikon D3400 with a
We got
300
Nikons.
millimeter.
We got Nikons.
Yeah, we got Nikons. Yeah, we're in the exactly the same. Exactly the same.
Yeah, we take movies with them. Here's Tarzan, see? This is Pirate Pete, Mickey Mouse,
Rip.
and Rip.
Yep.
Grumpy's not here. He should be. And Johnny Come Lately is not here.
More likes this time than any time before.
Well, that's what we expect a like from every one of you.
Okay.
Do you seek people's permission before you put them up?
Not ever.
Never.
We believe that because we're over 70, we'll get away with
But
it.
we love having.
You reckon you get life imprisonment for that?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
No big deal.
Life's over at that stage anyway, isn't it? Really?
No, not where you got a hope.
So how long are you home?
Hey, there's
It is too.
there's one missing. Oh, there it is over there.
Come up. That's what it is.
Hey, there it is. It's only, it couldn't wait to go. Just as well that jetty was there. Just as well the jetty was there. You're jumping off filming.
I know you'll do that. Hang on, I'll move it up here.
Yeah, one missing. Can you do that again? I missed that.
Look at this. Oh, it's a boat. Blew away. He's trying to get it.
Oh well.
I'll be right, it says.
Look, it just came in again. When did you leave? Yesterday? We've had lunch and all. Jesus. Look like a yowie man. Look at this bloke. Look.
The Yowie's here at Point Wilson.
You look like a bloody burglar, going to burglarise a house or something.
Look at this.
It's a big job.
Is this for real? Oh, put that back on.
No, I'll put my beekeeper hat on. I think that'll do it.
Here we are, ready to head off now.
I'm just trying to pick the mountains over here where we're heading.
That's Mount Kosciuszko over there.
That's Mount Uranus.
Everest?
Erinus.
Antarctica.
Well, it feels like it.
We're on our return home now.
Here we are. Back.
Bit of dark cloud up there. I think it's going out to sea. Well, lucky me, I've got 2 grey Hobies escorting me back.
It's nearly the end of another sailing day, another Friday, and it's been a good day. There's only one thing about it though, I've got to wait all the way till next Friday to have another.
I've got to wait for another 7 days.
It's not fair, is it?